How to cancel exposed app subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now at the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID, click on it. Then navigate to the option of subscriptions, click on it. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find all of your subscription. Over here, you're going to find different sections as active and inactive subscription. In the active subscription, you'll find the option of exposed. You have to click on that option. After you open it, at the bottom right corner of it, you're going to see the option of cancel. You have to click on that. With that, you're going to get the pop-up, click on confirm cancellation. With that, you have just canceled the subscription for exposed app. Now you will not be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the exposed app or account will not cancel your subscription. And subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, this way you can easily cancel exposed app subscription. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.